Hello students, today we will continue chapter Statistics and Probability. Today we will discuss some examples. In this example, the daily minimum temperature in degrees Celsius for the 30 days of June in a year was as under. Students, in this table we have given minimum temperature in degrees Celsius. So first we have to check that what is the maximum observation given in the given data. So when we check, we can see here the maximum data is given here 30.4, and when we check, then we can see here the minimum temperature is given here 24.9. Now from this data we have to prepare a frequency table taking class interval 24.0 to 25.5 or 25.5 to 27.0. Then we have to find the class interval, class size, class mark corresponding to the maximum frequency. Now first we have to make frequency table by taking class interval. So student, we check that the minimum value is given in this question 24.9 and maximum value is given 30.4. So we have to make the classes in such a way that first class include the minimum value and the last class include the maximum value. So if we take the first class as 24.0 to 25.5, so we can see here it include the minimum value, and that is 24.9. So student, we can see here that in the class interval 24.0 to 25.5, 24.0 is a lower limit, 25.5 is a upper limit. So if the last class we have taken that is 30.0 to 31.5, then it includes the maximum value, which is according to this question is 30.4. So here we have to form classes by this method, and in the class interval 24.0 to 25.5, here 24 is included, and the value between 24.0 to 25.5 will be included, but in this value the upper limit which is given 25.5, it will be not included, it is excluded. Similarly, in other classes the lower limit is included and the upper limit will not be included, it is excluded. So from this pattern we can make this frequency table. So by reading this 24.0 to 25.5, our frequency, that is 2, and 25.5 to 27.0 frequency is 13, and 27.0 to 28.5 frequencies are 9, 28.5 to 30.0 frequencies are 3, and 30.0 to 31.5 frequencies are 3. Now the class interval having maximum frequency is 25.5 to 27.0. So class size is equals to upper limit minus lower limit. It is 27.0 minus 25.5, and it is equals to 1.5. Now class mark, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 27.0 plus 25.5 divided by 2. It is equals to 52.5 divided by 2, and it is equals to 26.25. Now look at this example. Here histogram is given, and by reading this histogram we have to give the question answers of the given questions after it. Here on x-axis age in years is given, and on y-axis number of literate females are given. So we have to give the answers. In first question, what information is depicted by the above histogram? The histogram depicts the number of literate females in different age group. In second, in which age group is the number of literate female maximum? Here, in age group of class interval 20 to 25, the number of literate females maximum. Now in third question, in which age group is the number of literate females minimum? In age group of class interval 45 to 50 and other interval 50 to 55, the number of literate female minimum. Now in next question, how many females below 35 years of age are literate? Here number of female below 35 years of age are literate, so we have to add the previous frequencies, that are 300 plus 900 plus 1000 plus 400 plus 250 is equals to 2850. Now in this next example, in this histogram we have to give the answers of the given question after it. On x-axis here marks are given, on y-axis number of students are given. Now first part, what information is depicted by the histogram? Here the histogram depicting the marks obtained by students. In next question, what is the class size? For class size we can take any of class interval. So upper limit minus lower limit, we have taken here interval 30 to 35. Here upper limit is 35 and lower limit is 30. So it is 35 minus 30 is equals to 5. And now how many students obtained less than 10 marks? So number of students obtained less than 10 marks is equals to 2 plus 6 equals to 8. In next question, how many students obtained more than 15 but less than 30 marks? So number of students obtained more than 15 but less than 30 marks is equals to 4 plus 8 plus 10 is equals to 22. Now home assignment, do worksheet 1, questions 6 to 8 of chapter 15. Thank you.